usually pretty damn close to Morningstar. Morningstar just gives me a write-up about it, more information, because guess what? I like to do my own analysis. I formulate my own ideas based on what I see in the economy. And it's not to be all in or all out. It's to take advantage of price disruptions, okay? As a trader, as an investor, as both, okay? And I'm gonna use these trading skills to do that. So that's our edge, man, is we know the value of something and we're using a chart and we know that over time stocks go up. Number 4, there is a random distribution of wins and losses on any set of variables that define an edge. Meaning if you win 60% of your trades, well, you're losing 40%. Through that, I hit on the brokerage account, the different type of brokerage accounts, and a little bit more about the price movement, and back to letting you know the idea that time is fractal. Don't get into a trade that you don't have a target and an exit, and you don't know the fundamental value. A couple things I mentioned there was Barron's. I've read this most of my adult life. Barron's, and what was the other one that I said? Oh, Morningstar. I paid for these, okay? A lot of people do. And Sure Dividend. And this is available inside the Peters report. You get a little bit of a discount. I'm friends with the guy that runs it. He puts out great information. But here's what about half of you guys that came in and took this have trade with me. The other half don't. Man, come trade with me. Let's accelerate your learning here. Our MFG Discord is pretty cool. It's much smaller than a lot of Discords because you can't just buy and get in. You got to go through some shit like you've been doing. In here, we have a lot of different channels. And we have some people, they don't really swing trade at all. All they do is dividends. And we use the money flow to do that. We have guys that kick it up a notch, and we have a private channel that does margin dividends. And man, we got people in there making 180K a year. Just started doing it. I mean, they had money, but I'm just showing you the possibilities. I run real money accounts in here and here. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing. And then we just have this, there's the standard Discord. That's all of us in the MFG. And then some of these are a little more playing with fire. So we have those, you got to ask me to be in there. I send out text alerts when I make moves. That doesn't mean that's the only time you move. I'm just showing you what I'm doing around the book, okay? And you can use that as a copy or as a way to get going. I put out a chart pack every week. It's updated almost daily. Obviously, I put out the Peters report. If you're in the Discord, everything hits there.